Step 1, copy this text. Step 2, paste it here. Step 3, click send. Step 4, wait for a couple of minutes. And then you can start to make money online 2022 and start to earn money today itself. Clicking in this video was one of the best decisions you've made. Now you're about to learn how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income right from the comfort of your home without having to invest any money at all. Anyone even without previous experience can do this and make money online 2022. It works in Philippines, it works in India, United States, Canada, Australia, and in all other countries. So grab your phone or laptop and get ready because the life-changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's start with step number 1. First, come over to this site. I will reveal the name of the website in a minute. You probably don't even know what this website is all about. Well, this site is a tool that helps to improve your SEO, or in other words, this website's help to improve your search engine optimization. That means how your website ranks in Google, how likely are people to visit your website, how easy it is for them to discover it, and other stuff related to that nature. But don't worry, you don't need a website, you don't need to have any domain or hosting, and you don't need any SEO knowledge. You just need to simply follow the steps from this Make Money Online tutorial video. And because you literally don't need anything to make money with this, it's going to be so easy that even a newborn baby could watch this tutorial and be able to set this up for himself. Anyways, mangools.com is a website tool that helps you to rank higher on Google, but you don't need a website and you don't have to invest any money to earn from this tool. As you can see, this site is here since 2014. That means it's a trusted website. Also, it has been featured on HubSpot, Backlinko, Website Planet, and so on. And it's also trusted by big companies like Airbnb, Alexa, Adidas, and so on and so forth. So your first step is to just come over to mangools.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. Just pause the video, go and complete this step, and I will be waiting for you. That way, by the end of this video you will have everything set up and ready to make money online 2022. Let's go to the next step. For your step number 2, so now that you know what Mangools is, you need to sign up for absolutely free account. So come to the top of the page and click here on Start 10-day free trial. And that will take you over to this page that looks something like this. And in order to create an account you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and just go to create my Mangools account. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Mangools account that should look like this. So that's it for second step. Just go to mangools.com and sign up for free account, and I will be waiting for you. Now we will jump straight into the step number 3. I hope you've completed the previous 2 steps and you're already making some progress. So the third step is going to be going over to google.com. So here we will start using Google. Open Google, and for now just leave it open like that. We will start using it in a minute. First we just need to copy something from other site. Now that you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangools, and here on the top right corner you will be able to see this affiliate option. You can join their affiliate program that pays recurring monthly commissions of 30%. And if you go back to their pricing, here you can see that the most popular one is the best value plan of $35.91 per month, which means you're making around $10.77 per month per person you refer to the site. That is just from one single person, so that's your monthly income without you having to lift a finger. If you refer 100 people to this site, that's already $1,077 per month. And if you refer 500 people to this site, that's already over $5,000 plus per month in pure passive income, no work required. Once you have all of those referrals, you can turn off your phone or your computer and just enjoy your earnings and do anything you like. And of course there are some cheaper, but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money online. But if you stay around until the end of this video, I will show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. And it's pretty much going to be a fun and easy process to make money online 2022. We are now going to affiliate section and go to promo materials. Here you can see your affiliate ID link. So this is your main affiliate link that will make us money. When people click on this link, they will be sent to this page where they can sign up to Mangools. And depending on the plan they choose, we will make monthly income. So I want you to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So that was the step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and copy it. Complete these steps and let's go to the next step. Step number 5. Now that you have your affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think for a second, who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously every single website in the world needs that, and there are currently hundreds of billions of them. But more importantly, who has enough money to invest into this tool Mangools through your affiliate link so they can benefit from the tool and so you can make passive income every single month. Keep watching because you're about to be blown away. This can make you thousands of dollars and you just need to do it once. Anyways, once again, who will benefit from this tool but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously every business that has a website. And do you know that there are over 1.7 billion websites out there? And you need just 100 of them to use your referral link and you will make thousands of dollars every single month. In fact, you can make over $5,000 per month without lifting a finger. That's just insane. But of course you need to put in some work first. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. For now, the step number 5, you just go to Google and search for some businesses. It can be a restaurant, a dentist, pet shop, barbershop, bakery, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small place, a small city or town you know. For example, I can search for Charleston, Carolina. You can play around and test out which makes you the most money and which gets you the best results. So that's why I said it's going to be really fun and easy process that's like a game. You think of some small place, think of some business, try different variations, search, and easily find your referrals in some of the next steps. So for now, as an example, I will search Charleston, Carolina dentist. So you can search any other place and business. You can even open up a map and randomly pick places. I would just go with this one and I'll use the dentist business. Step number 6, once you've searched for that term in Google, skip the ads that show on the top and also skip the first 3 websites that show up at the top of the search results after those ads, because obviously those guys know how to do SEO properly since their sites are ranking on the top and they don't need this tool. But all the other thousands and thousands of business websites below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest into their businesses because they can see a massive return on that investment. So you will open some of these websites and on them, you will be able to find their contact information either at the bottom of the website or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that will even be bad because everyone else will use the same script and it will just become as spam. But rather than that, I will help you craft your own script, and that's a lot better, and the conversion is going to be a lot higher. So we want a simple message that can make them click on your affiliate link that takes onto the mangools.com, where they can sign up, and you will make money online 2022. So you can start your own script or email with like, "Dear Sir, Madam, I saw you have a nice business," or "I saw you had a nice restaurant," or "a nice office," or "a nice coffee shop," or "a nice jewelry shop," or whatever business it is. But your website is not ranking, so you're missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, "I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me to improve my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days," or something like that. And now, after writing all this, you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in that first message, or you can wait for their reply and then send them your affiliate link after you build some trust with them. And remember, you need to do this only once to get some sign-ups, and you will keep making monthly passive income for the next couple of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice some time and effort now and enjoy afterwards. It will pay up. So to recap, just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google, find some businesses you know, and just paste the script with your affiliate link. And that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful to you and you will be happy because you can help someone, but as well you made a lot of money on the back end, a lot of passive income. That's it for today. Like the video if you enjoyed it and also subscribe to the channel with notification on. And if you want to make more money online 2022, click on the Best Make Money Online 2022 playlist.